Okay, good morning, good evening, good night, every part of the world you're watching. This is your boy Victor Zoma on the online. Today we want to dive into HR analysis, human resource analysis. And without wasting your time, let's go. Okay, as you can see, this is my Power BI background where we are going to use to do our analysis. We're going to use here to do to what we are going to do. We are going to do right now, we are going to do ETL, and ETL stands for extract, transform, and load of data. We are going to extract this data from we are going to extract this data right now, and the data is in a CS file, CSV file. What we are going to do, we'll mouse on get data and look at it. It's not a Excel. We are going to a CSV file, and this is the data we are trying to extract from. You mouse and you click open and wait for it to open, and it have opened, and this is what we're on. Next we go to transform data. Let's go. Okay, our data is loaded to Power Query Editor, where we are going to start the cleaning and the transformation of the data. And without wasting your time, I want you to drive to get your glass of coffee, glass of water, because we got to start work right now. Okay, let's go. Now this is not how we want that. We need to start with split column. We go to split column by delimiter. Yeah. Um, it's going to be on tab. What we need 35 column. We need it on a column. We need 35 column. Click OK. I don't want to bore you guys with a longer video because currently what we are going to do in this video, the video is it's going to be in two phases. One phase is the cleaning, which is the ETL said I'm going to do, while the second part of the video will be the modeling. And when we are modeling, we are going to do the visualization. I don't want to bore you with a long story about this video. What I'm going to do right now, I might do the video in three, but right now I want to start the cleaning of the data. And as you can see, here is column. We don't need column. What we need is this. And what we are going to do is we'll go to use first row as column, as header. Yeah, we can get this even in transform. You can see it here. But let's use the whole Ruby. Yeah, this is called Ruby. Yeah, it's Ruby. We have the home Ruby, we have the transform Ruby, we have the add column Ruby. Yeah, yep. Let's go. And you can see we have age, attrition, business, daily. Now, what we are doing on this data, we are doing uh, attrition. Attrition simply means people leaving the organization. There are factors. We want to dip into the factors that cause people leaving the company. Reasons why people leave the organization. That is what we are going to dive into. And now we've started and we move. We move. Now this is age. We want to know how many people are old that leave the organization, and this is 18. The minimum is 18, the max is 60. Okay, we have traveling, we have non-travelers, we have travel frequently, we have travel rarely. We also got to clean this, we also have to work on this. And now start cleaning, replace value. Yeah, you can have it in a different format too. You can have this thing I just did, replace value. You can have it in transform, replace value. That's for easy and fast. I prefer doing it this. Then and Power Query letters are sensitive. Please make sure what you're typing. You shouldn't forget. Then these also go for frequently, people that travel frequently. Yeah, what we're doing, instead of leaving it as travel, yeah, we need to just give it, and this should be known. Now let's split so that you're done with this. Okay, we come to department. This we need to change this. Let's look at, and let's not forget transform. Need to trim. Also need to place each word. Same here. We're gonna do all transform, trim, and capitalize each word to only text. Only text. Yeah. When I mean text, I mean this. Only text. Only text. Yes, you can do. We can also do it here. We can also do it here. While we are doing transform, is trim. While we are doing trim and capitalize, is to remove spaces from order. Now let's change this name. Let's look at how many what we have. Yes, we have human resource, research and development, and sales. Yeah, this human resource we can turn it to HR. This we can turn it to RD, and sale Excel. Let's go there. Also replace value RD EV. Yeah. So this do it to Excel. What is my system doing? Yes, please. I'm sorry. I'm trying to see what my system is doing right now. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Sorry for the brief. Now we also had to go for this also. Yeah, we are not done with. We have one left. We have one left, which is human resource. Yes. At this point, we need to. You can locate it. You can just do the human resource yourself. Yeah, for simple, for fast. I love, like I said, I love doing it this way. HR. Now we see those long names, we have abbreviated them to this shorter way. Then let's also, we can do the same thing here. We can do the same thing with trim. The same thing we did in that other one. We can do it. We can change the name, life science. Now let's look at what and what are here. We have human resource, life science, markets, medical, others, technique. We can do the same thing. Or paraventure, we can leave it. It's all depend on our choice. Because I guess let's leave this. Okay, let's come back to IA. We need to do conditional column. We'll click conditional column. Okay, this will be age range, age range, range. Okay, age is will be less than or equal to. We choose 24. We'll name them. We'll name them youth. Also, we go for age less than equals to 34. We call them young. Okay, you can see we have used younger, young, middle, elder, and we have senior. What we do, we go okay, then we turn our text to value to text. Move it to beginning, move it to beginning, and look at 41 is the middle, 49 elder, 37 middle, 33 youth. Now let's see if what we have done is correct. I can choose that. I can choose this. Let's go with this. Just want to see the youth. Just want to see the youth. These are the youth. Okay. Okay. Since we are doing iteration, we are going to look at year at company and year since promoted. These two columns are very vital. They are very vital, and we are going to do this especially year since promoted. We are going to do something called conditional column, and in conditional column, just like we did in that age, we are going to also do it here. Now let's open to conditional column. Now what we are going to put is promotion status, promotion status, promotion status. Then we'll we'll try to locate it down. I guess it's year since promoted. Now year since promoted, we're going to do is greater than or equals to. Forgive, let's check something together. Let me cancel this. Let's check this. 0, 15. That means when we are doing conditional column. Okay, when we are doing now, anybody that is have stayed 10 years is greater than from 10 and above should be due for promotion. Should be due for promotion as anybody that is less than 10 years is not due for promotion. Not due for promotion. Anybody less than 10 years is not due for promotion. Then we go. Now we can see that let's check those that are not due for promotion. Let's not due for promotion. The people that are not due for promotion are from 0 to 9. These are not due for promotion. But now if we check here, people that are due for promotion, these are people that are due for promotion. 10 to 15. Yeah, our work is okay. We're also going to do here the same thing we did just here. We're going to do also here. Then let's go. Okay, we did the same thing for year at company. We did a retrenchment status. Column name year at company operation greater than or equals to 20 years. Anybody that is greater than or equals to 20 years should leave the company, should be laid off. If you're less than that, you're still on service. Then we go. Okay, we don't know what is this, but we want to add another column called column from example. While we are taking column from example, we want to take column from selection. Now, column from selection, we want to do year at service, year at service, I guess, year at service. We have 22 years, then we mouse down, okay it. Okay, like I said, I don't want to bore you with a longer video of this. I'm going to do the last one before I will now go for the mod for the visualization of my. Now we'll do job level. Look at, let's look, we have level 1, level 2, level, but we can just leave it like this. Now we want to add something to it. Now we'll go just the same way we did the last one. We'll go for column from example, we select from selection. Then what we are looking at is job level. We'll start by 5, level 5 or 5 level. Okay, we'll go for level 5, level 5, and arrow down, okay it. And this is the levels we are looking at. We'll change this to job level, job level, job level, job level. Okay, back to the back online. Back again. Now we are done with that. Next, this is work balance. Let's see, this is 1 2 3 4. Let's see what we can give them, what kind of work balance we want to give them. Let's calculate. But before then, let's go to, okay, let's look at distance from home. We want to know people that's the distance. We have 1 and we have 29. We want to see the distance of people moving from their work, from their office to their house, or from their house to their office. Now we'll do conditional column. We'll still mouse on this conditional column. I guess you guys know it now. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We say we're looking at distance from home. The new one, the new column we are creating is distance status. Now we'll say distance from home operation is greater than or equals to 20 is very far. People living from 20 miles away from the house, 20 to whatever, 50 miles, they are far from the office, they are far from the workplace is far from their office, which we need to look at into transportation, the cost of transportation, the fatigue, some maybe fatigue, stress, jumping from one bus to another. Now, also the distance from home, greater or less than 10, very close. The more, the closer. Yes, anything less than 10 is very close. Yeah, we say okay. Yeah, we change the data type to text. Um, we'll take it to the beginning to yeah, distance from home. 12 are very close. 7 close. 12 is close. 7 is very close. If I'm going to filter, I'm going to get 23. These guys are living far, and these are research and developers. So very close. Some research and developers live far, some live close, very close. Yeah, there. Okay. We can see we have a gender, marital status, age range, attrition, business travel. These are what we need to do our work. Yeah. You can ask, what about those other ones? Yes. Monthly income, performance rating, job satisfaction, relationship, work-life balance. Now, all these ones we just have to do conditional column where we check 1 to 4. This is 1 to 4, 1 to 4 again, 1 to 4 again, against 1 to 4, and performance also is 1 to 3 to 4. Now, and this one we need to know average, satisfy, non-satisfy. This These are what we need to do. And we're going to create a table for this to know, okay, the reason for their attrition table. You know, is it why they are leaving the business or why they are leaving the organization? Is it because of the job satisfaction? Is it the relationship? Look into That's why we are diving into the analysis very well. Let's go. Let's start with job satisfaction. Now it will be 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Okay, like I said, we'll go to add column, sorry. Now go to add column, conditional column. Yeah, now we'll say satisfaction. Satisfaction, say satisfaction status. Satisfaction status. Yes, you can see this is different. We are doing job satisfaction equals to 1, very satisfied, very dissatisfied. Okay, you can see this is different. We say satisfaction status. Satisfaction status. If job satisfaction equals to 1 is very dissatisfied, 2 equals to dissatisfied, 3 satisfied, and S is very satisfied. That means from 4 above, they are very satisfied. Click OK. Change our data type to text. Drag it. Okay, the same thing again we do for the relationship status, the relationship satisfaction. Do the same thing again. We mouse OK. Yeah, because of time, let me just do this. The which one again we have to look into consideration: work-life balance, environment, and performance. Work-life balance, we've done this. We need work-life balance 1 to 4, environment 1 to 4. Yeah, work-life balance, the same thing. All of them we are going to do the same conditional column. The same conditional column for all of them. Okay, we are going to do the salary, which is the monthly income. Now, monthly income, we have classified it into 5. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one will be this. And it definitely be is less than or equal to. Let me round up all this for easier understanding. It's less than or equal to, it's less than or equal to, it's less than or equal to. Then, like I said, we have struggles 5,000, struggles 5,000. We have developing 10,000. These ones are people that are developing, while the first ones are people that are struggling with the job. They are not satisfied. We have established. We have them on 14,000. established at 15,000. And we also have prosperous. These ones, they have it, but they are not yet done. They still have one or two needs. They still have one or two, but they are living better. They are better. And we have the wealthy. These are the people that are on top. Yeah, we put them else wealthy status, salary status. Then voila, we have come to the end of our cleaning of our data sets. Now our data set is clean because what we are looking for is already inside. Data set is clean. Then we'll close and apply. Yeah, I need to take it to the salary. That's why I'm dragging it. Don't need to do the first the way I did the first one by taking it to the month first. Now this is it. So this person is earning 19,400 as well. These well they are established, struggling. Now let's look at people struggling. Healthcare representative is earning 4,152, struggling. You can see met expectation. He even try and met the expectation. Then very satisfied. You can see. Let's look at it. Satisfied with the job. That means there are other factors that made him satisfied. He's satisfied with the job. Maybe because there is not another job outside. But when it comes to his relationship with the job, he's very unhappy. That means the salary, he's not happy with the salary. He's very unhappy. Look at work-life balance. To him, it's okay. But what is making the relationship in the office is not okay for him. The relationship in the office is not okay for him. Then you also look at the environmental status. Environmental status is showing supportive. That means the environment is supportive, the work balance is supportive, but his relationship with the colleagues is not okay. He's not having a good relationship with the office. His salary is okay with his salary. Maybe he have less responsibility. Yeah, maybe he have less. He's in level 2. That's why he's even okay. He's even okay with it. So level 2, definitely we should know that he can be retrained. He's still active. He's still needed. He has spent 11 years in the company. He has spent 10 years in the company and 12 years since last promoted. 12 years, 10 years in the company, and he have not been promoted. Yes, he have not been promoted. But he is due for promotion because he has spent 10 years and 11 years in the service. 10 years, he have not been promoted, and he is due for promotion. And if we look at where we saw not satisfied, unhappy with the relationship because of the promotion. So we've started seeing insight into this, and we've started getting details. If you still look at, it's very close to his house. You see, very close to his house. That is the reason. A lot of things. He rarely travel. His department is research and development. Research and development, I don't travel. Adoration, he's still in the job. And he's a younger guy. He's a young guy. As a young guy that even just got married. Yes, these are insights. We just picked one and we have analyzed the reason behind him not even leaving the job. But he's not satisfied, but he can't leave the job. Now, this is what we want to do. After this, I always advise trim your work, all the text column, highlight, click, 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 click. Yes, I know we have done some things, but for clarity's sake and so that you don't make mistakes, it's advisable you run your trimming all together on the text columns and trimming. Let me trim everything. Oh, it can't work. I can't do that. Okay, sorry. I can always say check your work. Check your work. You can see I have issues here. You can see here I have issues here. You see, if I have not cross-checked, I wouldn't have seen it. But because I had to go over to see, and I had to spot it. Thank you very much for your time. I seriously appreciate. Just hit the like button, share, and let's grow. And thank you for your time. It's your boy Victor Zomamadike. To the next class and the next topic.